Chunival, Managing Director of Capital World Group and Kiara Garments. We are a ladies fast fashion manufacturer and supplier. We supply garments all over the world. We have a setup in Shanghai as well as Shaoxing, the city just outside of Shanghai. Then we have a factory in Vietnam, where we also have an office in Hanoi. So all these operations get together and to put together the product in a seamless fashion for the customer. We started this journey on looking for technical backup or ERP, if you will, about a year ago. And that's when we came across WFX, and today we're here at the office. First visit here. Of course, we've had many demos, many calls, many visits back and forth, but this is the first time we came to the office. We feel very impressed. So we find WFX's value proposition to a company like us to be very valuable because of we want to focus on our business, where you guys focus so much on the technology part, and knowing that we will keep pace with technology with your support as partners, and having your system as the backbone of our business is something that is quite comfortable for us at this point. And I'm sure that whenever we make the leap and we do the implementation, things will go quite well.